In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a puppy-inspired Valentine themed card. I'm Travel Blackman. Let's jump into it. You will need some very basic things to create this card. Scissors, ruler, of course your glue, pencil, one sheet of red cardstock, one white, and one black, along with two googly eyes. You will then have to cut shapes to these various sizes: 15.5 cm times 14.5 cm, 11.5 cm times 13.5 cm, 3x3, and 6x6 cm. For this size here, you would need to cut one in red and maybe an additional in white, where you can use that to make the template. These you would have to cut one in black, one here in red, one in black, and one here in black. You will then have to fold the shapes down the center in this manner. And take your pencil and draw in this manner to create a heart shape. Try to stay close to the corners. Now I'm using white so as to allow for you to see. You will then cut where you would have made the mark. And you get that. So once you would have cut all your shapes, you're going to end up with the heart shapes of various sizes along this. So when you finish cutting, you should have these sizes. Now the large heart shape, you're now going to place it on your cardstock and draw along this line. Then you're going to twist it around. Draw it like this. Try to keep this point in line with that, and this in line with that point there. And you would end up with that. Then you're going to go ahead and cut that out. So this is all of your pieces cut. So this main part will be used for our card. For the large frame, fold it down the center. Like that. And now cut where the crease is. So we have this. Now we're going to take this, fold it over, bring the two ends together, ensure that it's fit nicely. Crease here. You can end up with this. Now we're going to bring in our glue. And we are going to paste this in here. Like that. So let's open it up, see where it fits. make this nice and neat, what you'll do, you take the bread, place it in place like that, and you would want to cut off where this red meets the center here. So you're going to take your pencil, make a mark, take your ruler, cut it away. Now we can paste this in here, like that. There you go. Turn it over. If there's any excess coming out anywhere, just cut it off. Now we're going to take the black, you want to ensure that your point meets the space here. Take the smaller black, we're going to turn it over, take our red, add some glue to the top, paste this between the space, like that. Good. So now we're gonna come with our googly eyes. Good. Now we'll take a pen, put some dots, 3 dots. Open it. You can have something printed with some message, or you can draw something here. What I did, I printed this and cut it out into an heart shape. I'm going to add glue to the back. And I'm going to place it in the center here. Like that. Now here we have blank for you to write whatever you want. There you go, our puppy Valentine card. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do leave us a like and a comment, and click on the subscribe button and bell to receive notifications for whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.